Yo, Sunday the 9th, 2020. So, okay, this is crazy. I'm on shrooms and I'm kind of drunk and I'm high right now. The reason that global warming is happening is because the sun is getting closer to our planet. Just like every planet that the sun eats becomes the next planet. So basically, the reason that all the water is drying up and the people are no mountains and the climate's changing is because the sun is getting closer to us every year, every day, every second, but obviously very microscopic every second. But every year the sun will get closer to us because the sun, the way that our planets are laid out, from first planet closer to the sun to last planet closest to the sun, basically, then every time the sun absorbs a planet and kills it, a new planet comes into our solar system, and then the sun eats it. Not actually eats it, but the sun absorbs its nutrients, and that's what it creates, like a big bang. And I believe that's why the sun, like when the sun explodes and the Big Bang happens, it's because it's eating a planet, and all the organisms on that planet. Well, I don't know the science behind that, but you know what I mean. There's all the organisms on the planet get vaporized to some degree, or whatever that would be, and then they okay, good. I'm still recording. The organisms on the planet get vaporized, but their cells and whatnot land in the water, like the oceans of the next planet, or whatever water source there is, and they become the next beings of that planet who slowly evolve over time. But the transition from evolving over time very slowly over hundreds of millions of years evolves into populating the next planet. And by populating the next planet, it'll take hundreds of millions of years. So it makes sense because the Big Bang always happens. The Big happens every... Dude, I'm high off my ass right now, bro. I'm recording a documentary. It's the new theory of life, dude.
Okay.
I can't explain it, but I'll just send you... Dude, I cannot explain it because I've 2 minutes into this voicemail right now. Okay, so essentially, the sun eats planets. Mm-hmm. Every time the sun eats a planet, a Big Bang theory happens. And then a new planet comes into the galaxy. No. The universe we expand because the sun gets bigger. Planets gets pushed back, and then the new universe comes in. And then we have another planet in. But the thing is, we get all vaporized or whatever, and we get transported as cells to the new planet, and then we start evolving from the new planet.
From like stage one, like
from like
day one.
Yeah, like literally like microorganisms, like cells.
Microbes and shit?
Yeah.
Damn.
And that's what I'm high as fuck on right now, bro.
Dude, you should call NASA and be like, yo
NASA?
Wrong,
what's up? Yo, I got the answers, bro.
Damn, look at the moon, bro.
That's fuck.
There's Mars right above it.
Is that an actual half moon right now?
Yeah. Oh, not quite, but it's almost half. It's a waning.
I feel like if we were looking at it from like over there.
No, not a waning. Whatever that opposite one is.
Waning crescent?
Not crescent. Waning something else. It's the opposite of crescent, whatever that is. Like not full,
George
but not
Wayne
half.
Crescent, bro.
Yeah, that George Wayne Crescent.
Wait, who was George Wayne?
Mars, though. That's sick as fuck.
Do you think we'll actually be able to travel to Mars someday?
Probably someday, but it'd
be kind of fucked.
It would take you like months to get there.
Yeah, it would.
Like
but even then, like if they just put you into the cryogenesis,
They can't do that
cryogenesis.
yet. Cryogenesis.
No, they can do that, can't
I
they?
don't think so. No, it's just in movies.
I'm gonna be real. I thought Walt Disney was stored in cryogenesis.
I think he is. He's like
Somebody
frozen.
said that, yeah. But like they don't know if they can actually
Yeah, they don't
revive
know
him
yet.
when like.
Yeah. Look, what the fuck?
But to be honest, that's kind of a cool idea because
What if they
when you
can't,
get
know
frozen,
what I mean?
everything
Yeah.
gets preserved, right?
Yeah.
Wait,
I
holy
mean, no,
shit.
I think you do like break down slowly.
I don't think so, dude. Look at like humans actually frozen like 2 million years in time, or not 2 million, but like a lot of years in time.
Yeah, no, like yeah.
Maybe that's
There
why
are
people
some,
freeze like meat and shit.
10,000 or ish years, like old humans, they're like preserved in bogs and shit.
Dude, when you died, not
They're all
knowing.
like deteriorated though, like
No. Most of the flesh is still on them if they're frozen.
yeah, but they're like fucked up.
They're fucked up, yeah, but like
If they came back to life, they'd be like,
they'd be like,
zombie.
yeah, but like,
they're fucked.
what if they were frozen so far in the future they could just reconstruct them before they gave them? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, if somebody offered you $5,000 and you'd go to sleep now like in a cryogenics chamber.
Right this second.
They're right this second, and you don't know what you're gonna wake up in, but you're gonna wake up in a future year. Would you take it?
How much money?
$5,000.
Fuck no, dude.
No, $10,000.
Dip out of my life and just be like, alright, peace.
Literally dip out, dude. Just like
Fuck no.
you might wake up like 1 year from now, or like
I don't think I do it
10,000
for
years from
any.
now.
I don't think I do it for any. amount of
Seriously?
money. Yeah.
Really? Okay.
What
Why
if
is
you,
that?
That's just like you could die.
You could die, yeah,
Yeah.
but like
Why would I
also, what if
want
you?
money for death? You can't even use money if you.
What if it
die.
wasn't death though? What if you opened in like the year like
Like it
4,000?
was 100% guaranteed.
No,
And I would
what's the,
wake up
no, no.
again.
That's the thing about the bet. It's like
Okay,
it's
the
like
bet.
$5,000 bet, right? So you could
not
die.
wake up again.
Yeah, or you could not wake up again, or you could
Fuck
wake up in
no,
like the
I
year
wouldn't.
4000,
No.
and there's like
Do that.
electric cars and shit everywhere.
I would
and
do
crazy
it
shit.
if it was like guaranteed that you wake up, you just didn't know what year. You know what I mean? Like it could be 4,000.
What do you mean? Like you just random?
2,700.
You would do it if you knew that it was just gonna be a random year.
Yeah, I'd be more likely to do it. So then it wouldn't be like a life or death situation.
That's true.
Because who the fuck is gonna take $10,000 to be like, okay, 50% chance you die or you live? Will you take money to not die? It's like what?
It's like what the fuck? Yeah, of
dude.
course.
I
What
mean,
the
yeah,
fuck?
maybe if it was like a lot of money, like $1 billion, then it'd be like fucking lit.
But if you knew it was like a 50-50 chance, you'd do it.
No, I wouldn't do it.
But you just said that.
I wouldn't do it. I said,
What?
Who would do it?
I thought you said you'd do it.
No. If it was 100% guaranteed I'd live, I'd do it.
Well, yeah, fucking obviously
Or I'd
everybody would do
consider
it.
doing it. Like if I got.
You wouldn't do it for
fuck ton of
50-50 chance though.
money. No.
What about 75% chance?
Did I survive?
Yeah.
No. 100% nothing. Would you do it for 50-50 right now?
Do it
How
for
much
25 right now,
How
man.
much? 25% chance you live.
Yeah.
How much money?
$2 billion.
$200?
No.
Oh,
200 billion.
2 bills.
2 billion.
Yeah, 2 bills, $200.
Yeah. You're just $2, man.
Bro. 2 Benjamins, 2 billion. You do it.
Yo, yeah, $2 billion, I do it. Fuck it.
25%
No,
chance
honestly,
you
like fucking like a mil. 1 mil. I
million,
don't even give a
that's
fuck.
it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And 25% chance you.
Yeah, 20% chance.
That's
That
so
means
low.
that 20%, so it's like the spawn rate's better because it's like 1 in. Well, it's the same shit, but it's also kind of different.
No, it's 25% chance you die.
Fuck
No,
it.
25% chance you live.
Yeah, but
75% chance.
Good
you die.
benefits.
No.
If somebody came
What's
up
the
to me,
benefit of that?
if somebody came up to me right now with like, okay, no, probably 50 mil, 50 mil,
Okay.
50 mil lows, and
you,
they
can
had,
do, you can do some shit with it.
they had a gun on my head, and they were just like, "Yo,
Either I kill you now,
I kill you
or
now."
you give me 25% chance for life.
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, that's a different
No,
situation.
not even I kill you now. Just
Oh.
like,
What the fuck? I'd be like, nah, and I'd just be like,
oh no, yeah, kill you, yeah, kill you now. Yeah, wait, that makes more
yeah.
sense. Why the
Yeah.
fuck would I do for nothing?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, what the fuck?
You're
Okay,
so
yeah.
fucked
I'm
up.
fucked up, dude. Okay, yeah, you're right. Yeah,
Good
you're
for
right.
nothing.
So either kill now or if,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, then
And
yeah,
then be
for
like,
sure.
yeah,
Because they give you
yeah.
a chance, you know.
exactly, yeah.
yeah.
Wait, but then,
you
but
need
no,
money.
but
You
then the
wouldn't need
situation
money.
changes too because
Yeah,
like,
you wouldn't need money
if
for
you were
it.
literally on the beach right now and some
Yeah.
dude came up with a gun, he was like, "I'll kill you now, or you can gamble for $10." You'd obviously gamble for $10 because you're just saving your life.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
How do we fix these odds then? That question doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. I think the entire situation from the start was destined for failure.
Oh, 100%. I'm tripping fucking balls right now, man. I'm fucked.
The moon's bright as fuck, dude.
It is though. It's fucking sick.
It's like lights up everything, dude. Like everything's so much brighter now. What the fuck?
John's vibing right now. Dude, now that John's here, it feels like an episode of Star Trek. You've a Kurt.
Yeah.
what do
You
you
pull
know
up
what I
out
mean?
of like the fucking
Yeah.
moonscape. Like
What's that?
fucking
William, you look like William Shatner right
William
now, bro.
Shatner, dude.
I've never even watched Star Trek, but
I know that guy. Yeah, I haven't watched that.
His
either.
fight with the fucking lizard dude.
What?
So funny.
Have you seen that?
fight?
It's just
No,
like a
I-
dude in a lizard suit, and they're in like a moon landscape, and they're just fighting. Like it's just
Are you
fight.
fucking serious?
Yeah, it's so.
Holy
It's
shit,
like
okay, I
the
need
worst
to see
fight
that.
ever. It's
So
so
funny.
funny, dude.
Is it for Star
From
Trek?
like
Yeah, dude,
1960s,
Star
like
Trek,
from
dude.
bullshit. But whenever the fuck it was.
Yeah.
70s,
Apparently, he thought
Shatner.
that everybody else Star Trek was a fucking nerd. and he
Dude, they're
said
all
that.
on like LSD and shit. When they're
They're all
in Star
fucked
Trek.
up.
Same with fucking Star Wars. Everyone's fucked up with LSD.
Really?
But
Yeah, dude,
yeah,
everyone's
everybody
off
was
their minds
absolutely
on drugs.
fucked.
Yeah.
Are you
Every
serious?
single person in Star Wars, yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Coke,
But
fucking every
It
drug.
was also like the best fucking film ever. Dude, that's the
yeah,
kind of
dude.
film
How do you
to
think they
make.
fucking
Holy
did
shit.
that film? You think they would act like that if they're fucking
the-
sober?
the-
Dude, it's a fucking Star Wars, like aliens.
You know in episode 3 when young Anakin drives the fucking thing in the race?
Yeah.
all those faces in the stand were Q-tips painted different colors. 100%. Look it up.
What?
It's
Can you pause it in the movie and see that?
Pause it in the movie and see that. I need to rip it. I need to rip it a couple more times. But every face on that stand is a fucking painted Q-tip. There's thousands of faces. They're all high as fuck on acid and drugs.
Yeah, they're on fuck ton of drugs. LSD, dude. Just trippy balls.
Acid, bro, is the fucking play.
Yeah, this is the fucking
70s,
play,
dude.
man.
LSD was like fucking like everyone was doing acid.
I wish I'd
It's
been
like
born in the
acid on
60s,
acid.
honestly.
Literally acid on fucking acid.
If I
You
could
would fit
live,
in the 60s.
if I could live 1 month
Dude, you could
in the
transport
60s,
right back and they wouldn't even know you're from 2020. Based on like what you're wearing in your hair,
that could be.
they would for sure be like, what the fuck? Like,
Marcus, you
they
just,
wouldn't
you just wrote a movie plot.
yeah.
I'm not even fucking playing, bro. Okay. Teenager born now, but then teleported back into the 60s, lives for 1 month, finds a romance who he loves, and then
Just Back to the Future.
has to teleport. No, but this is the millennial version. Don't worry. It's a copy, but it isn't a copy.
For legal reasons.
Yeah, for legal reasons, this has nothing to do with Back to the Future. But it may also be time traveling. Anyways, so gets teleported back to his current year and then resumes life. He's depressed and he wants to kill himself. Okay.
Ruins the fucking.
Dude, and then he finds
so
the
dark.
great-granddaughter of the chick he fell in love with.
And he fucks her.
The great grandmother. What?
And he's
Okay,
his fetish
the
is
great-granddaughter of
So he
the
just, like,
chick he
loses
met
his
back
mind.
in the 60s, bro.
This is the movie part 2. He has incest sex with his great
An
granddaughter.
incestual fantasy, and he finds his wife from the 60s. How would that even work? That's only like 50 years.
Okay, fine.
No, it's more than that.
Granddaughter,
When did he die?
No, I said who?
The main part of
you
this
still
story.
recording?
Oh shit.
Are you recording?
Yeah, fuck yeah, dude. This is movie shit right here. Here, look.
Dude, you're fucked.
Oh, let's go.
This is gonna be the most
Okay.
lit YouTube video ever.
Okay.
It's fucking
Wait, so who
insane.
died?
Wait, we
Who
have
died?
incest, time
just
travel,
pulled that
and
out.
granddaughters.
No, yeah, the movie where he goes back to the 60s, he
Yeah.
lives now, and he lives
Yeah.
a month there. He meets somebody that he loves, and then he teleports back to the fucking future without any
Oh wait, and then he's
consequences.
depressed and wants to kill himself.
Yeah,
But he
he's
slowly
depressed and
falls
wants to kill
back-
himself.
He finds a new girl, and
Yes.
he
Isn't
that
slowly
dark?
falls back into
It's
love.
perfect.
And he learns how to trust, and
No,
he
dark,
realizes
like-
it's his
Oh, no.
granddaughter, bro.
Is it what? What?
Yeah, it sounds
It's his
exactly like that.
Yo.
Granddaughter, bro.
That
He
sounds
falls-
exactly like
Dude, have
Dark.
you watched Old Boy?
No.
Oh my god, bro, you need to watch Old Boy.
Wait. What is
Dark.
What do you mean? It sounds like dark.
Dark
This
is a
sounds
TV
so original.
show that's about time travel, and the guy goes back and he fucks this lady, and then he finds out that it's like he goes back in time to his current time and finds out that his like sister is also his like daughter or some shit.
Oh, what the
Yeah,
fuck?
yeah, yeah.
This is already a TV
Yeah,
show?
I know, yeah.
Fuck, but that's so
Like,
sick
there's,
though.
like,
We can do it
multiple
so well.
universes and shit. It's fucked. It's more complex than that.
Do we have to? Okay. Start from the beginning. So, guy who's teenager who's depressed and heartbroken travels back to the.
And he also has cool 60s style.
He has cool 60s style because he
60s
just lived in the 60s for a full month.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what? Yo, what's up? We're writing a movie. We're writing a movie.
We're movie plotting.
Oh, Quincy.
So John tried to write the one about how he figures out.
That's the sequel. That's the sequel.
Oh yeah, okay. So what do we write? No, so
Teenager?
Teenager.
Living
how
in
long was his
2020.
voicemail?
Yeah. He
Like
just
20
he
minutes.
just lived in the yeah.
No,
what-
it's 2 minutes.
We're getting distracted.
No, it's straight up like 15. Okay, okay.
We're getting distracted.
What in the fuck are
We're,
you niggas
we're writing a
doing?
movie. We're writing a movie.
fucking
Okay,
movie. We're not
So
niggas.
this. Okay, wait. So
You're
everybody-
writing a fucking movie. I
Yeah.
just walk up.
dude.
All right, this is part of the movie. I
Okay,
walk
okay.
up. I just pissed, and you guys are fucking going nuts in a circle
Yeah.
of 4.
Hey,
you hear the
explosion
during
Yeah,
that?
okay. This is the movie. So a kid that's our age, right? Live in 2020. He teleports back to 1960, and he just lives the life
And
like
he's 69.
surfing.
He looks like Quincy, so
He's
he
like
fits in
surfing and
60s.
shit,
Yeah.
and like
yeah.
he like
The
meets
hair.
the love of his life.
Yeah.
But then before he can control it, he gets transported back to 2020. He's like, oh fuck, like I don't know what to do. Like I want to kill myself. I'm
Yeah, it sounds like
depressed.
Outlander.
And then the movie, the first movie, kids like
It's
cuss.
mountain, bro.
No, we have to write the second movie. Alamander? What the fuck are you talking?
Outlander,
Zoolander?
TV show.
What do you mean the fuck is Outlander?
It's another one, time travel.
Sweet life, Zach and Cody.
And
Oh,
then he
sure,
goes
Sweet
back
Life,
in time, and
Zachary.
then she falls in with the other, falls in love with the other guy, and then she goes back. So it's
Then
Then
she
she
gets
gets
cuffed?
raped
same
and
thing,
killed.
Yeah.
And she gets raped and killed.
Raped
Yeah.
and pillaged.
Right?
Pillage. That
She
sounds
has
like the
to
same.
walk through 4 hours
Okay,
of snow.
continue. Fuck you.
No, that's just endurance, bro. Like,
Yeah.
It's endurance training. Okay, so what do we write as the second movie? Because our hero right now is
Is he back in the 60s
he's still heartbroken. He doesn't know how to cope with like what's going on.
Yeah,
in
but
his
then he
life.
finds another girl who slowly nurtures
But who
him
is this
back.
other girl?
Oh, yeah,
You
I'm
can't
getting,
say
I'm
that.
getting,
Some
I'm getting,
hooker
I'm getting
from
to it, I'm
Yaletown.
getting to it. I'm getting to it.
Some hooker
Hey,
from
so
Yaletown.
back in
It's a
20
hooker.
Mohammed's
Yaletown.
sister.
Lads.
From 60s Yaletown.
Yo, Oh.
Was Yaletown even the thing in the 60s?
No.
Yeah, it
okay,
probably
lads,
was. Maybe?
lads.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Dunbar was like the
That's a good
hood.
one.
Alright.
Yeah.
So he comes back to 2020 heartbroken because he lost the love of his life.
Okay.
But slowly he finds a new girl, and she's the one who nurtures him back to health. She brings him back to it. But it turns out that's the granddaughter of the girl he fell in love with in the 60s.
Yo! That's fucked up.
grandfather, grand ancestor.
and then after they figured it out, they saw a big house in Vancouver.
I don't have it. I don't know
I
where
genuinely like this plot. Okay. Okay, second movie.
You gotta send this to
The press guy.
Is it
The
the
press
first one?
guy.
Still the first one?
No, this is the second movie.
Wait,
We
Still
just
second
ditched
Movie
Jeff,
2.
Jeff, come here, Jeff. Fucker, hog
We're making
shitter.
a movie
Hold on.
apparently in the fucking woods.
Second movie. Our depressed teenager
Chilliwack
that
River.
wants to die.
Fucking minivan.
He starts dating a girl who's the great granddaughter.
Yeah,
granddaughter,
Just the granddaughter.
Yeah, because it wouldn't be that.
60s,
It's only
bro,
60 years.
60s.
It's only 6 years.
Okay, yeah.
So you can have a kid and then the kid
True.
can have a kid, right?
Wait,
And then
but
the
he's
mom's hot too. We leave open for another
Whoa.
sequel. Oh shit. Okay.
The mom's 40.
Yes.
The
Okay.
daughter's like 20.
So our depressed teen that wants to kill himself, he
Yeah.
comes back to the 1920s out living the 60s, meaning of his life.
What?
He's dating the
What?
granddaughter.
Just say.
It's the whole plot. Don't you worry.
Okay.
No, 1960s.
What are you
Okay.
talking about then?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, so the guy comes back. Okay. The guy who was depressed from being teleported back to the 1920s.
60.
I mean the 2020s from the
No,
1960s.
Okay,
No,
yeah.
He is now depressed, but he's dating the granddaughter of the daughter who he dated.
of the
No.
chick that he dated. Not
Yeah,
the
yeah.
daughter of the chick that he dated.
The daughter of the chick that he dated.
No, this is the granddaughter of the chick that he dated.
So the daughter's
LOL.
mother's.
The granddaughter's mother's mother is the one you banged in the 1960s.
Whoa.
But you don't know this until...
Oh. Wait, yeah, I don't know this until I start seeing family photos inside their house when I go for dinner.
Yeah. That's good. Family
Yo.
photos, good.
For dinner, we're going. Wait. We can't just be going for dinner. It has to be like
A special dinner.
no. Walk around the house, tour around the house,
The night
two
that he's
around
gonna
the house.
propose.
No.
Yeah, and he finds out.
Too cliche, bro. Too cliche. It can't be that cliche. Then we gotta string this on for like 12 fucking movies, boys.
Oh, true.
We gotta make the go up.
Then,
Jesus fucking Christ.
actually,
I'm
12 movies in the making
I'm
here.
okay. I'm
We're
okay to get
we're
it.
movie 2 into 12 movies.
No, get it, please.
We're on
Get it.
movie 5.
Okay, wait. So
John, we're gonna harvest some hardwood.
Harvest Station.
Can I give you a hug on shrooms?
yeah, but where's your other jewel?
Yeah, let's get it here.
You horny bastard.
Oh, Jay, you gotta drink more, dude. We gotta be fucked up. Like, we gotta be fucked up, and not to go.
I've never been that
not to
big.
go
How
swimming.
can you just tell how
There's
fucked up
no
I am?
chance that
Because
that
you're
was
not
300
fucked up.
milligrams, man.
But you're vibing.
I'm vibing. I'm loving it right now.
Yeah.
There's
Hell yeah, bro. Are you gonna
no chance.
come with us and float in the water?
Dude, you're going to drown from hypothermia.
Yeah, do not
bro.
fucking
It's
do that.
warm as fuck, bro.
It is not
If you
warm,
die-
bro. I'm not swimming right now.
If you die, I'm gonna freak.
Yeah.
I'll die in your tent, bitch. That's your real estate. I don't have it. I don't
What
have
do you
it.
mean you fucking? It's in your pocket. Let me take your pocket. You hog shitter. Where the fuck is it?
I don't know where the fuck it is. I've been looking for. Check these pockets.
in your safety
No, I
pocket?
checked it, dude.
What are you looking for?
Fuck you. You're trying to steal
What are you
my-
looking for?
You're trying to steal
We're trying
my
to steal
shit?
your vape, bro.
Oh, fuck that.
You hog shitter.
I don't have shit, bro. Like, look, I'm nothing. I'm nothing.
He's got nothing.
No, I'm fucking over your dick, bro. Yo, who has fucking mixed vape, bro? You fucker. Hey, what's up, bro? I'm
Not chilling enough. Marcus, you said you're gonna get your stall. I need to go get more wood. Me and Quincy are gonna get Quincy. Come with me.
You wanna get wood, bro?
Yeah.
Yo, that's gay, bro.
No. Come with me.
Fine. I need a headlight though.
No. I got it.
No, you
Marcus.
have one.
Marcus, I won't fuck myself.
We're Jeff. You're Marcus. Jeff.
Marcus, please
Jeff
trust
and
me
John,
in the fact that I
Marcus,
can
Jeff.
tell you right now that I'm okay with
John, do you have my headlight? Nick does. Nick and Mad like hog shitter.
I've used the automatic shit.
Do either of you have the vape? Oh.
I'm drinking
Oh. Nicotine be like.
I know how to use it.
My lungs be like.
Please help me.
You want to push it and pull it, but you don't want to like physically like force it to pull.
Yeah, no, it's just you're pulling. The only way you're coming is
Roll backwards.
Yes, yeah, no.
It would be fun.
I have
It'd be
one.
quite the meme.
It's so fire. It would be funny. Actually funny.
Sawing it just like
Third degree burned to death. Third degree burned.
Funny.
Third degree burned.
I'll take full responsibility.
John.
You just break the.
The hummus like this somebody. What the hell? Bro. What the heck did you do to the hummus? What is that? What did you? The hummus get them. I stood by the hummus. I couldn't see. I was like, ow, John. What is the? Just finish my fingers. I was please.
My name is Lord Farquaad. I'm going to fuck your asshole.
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
Hey, who got the vape though?
Somewhere.
What the?
This side?
Oh, the button.
Yeah.
Shall we?
Can I try it?
Yeah, you try it.
No.
Let's go get
Nice
I just
catch.
got it.
No, okay, but it's fine. I haven't hit
I know,
it
but
in
you hit mine.
15 minutes. You have your own as well. I know you're on Rippy.
Did you say that fucking recording?
Quincy, come on. Don't. Quincy, come here.
Wait, one more.
No, it's okay. Quincy, stop. You literally just stepped over all of our and you purposely perfectly made it. Come here. We're gonna go cut some wood.
These guys will kill me.
Dave, come. Alright. You gotta do some woodsman shit, Dave. Alright, you gotta be.
We don't. Nick, where's the tool?
This is the wood, my brothers. This is the wood.
Can we carry that?
Yes, we can carry the wood. I am thirsty.
Okay. Found wood.
I am thirsty. Oh. I am thirsty. Wassalamu alaikum.
Get it. That wood called your mom a whore. Get it.
Hey, bro.
Alright, let's get it. Let's put it on the fire.
The wood broke my leg, bro.
Okay, let's get it on the fire. Help me.
Dude, this is huge.
Yo, Dave, pick up that shit. Quincy, get the end. We're taking this fucking huge. No, get the end. Don't drop it. I'm dropping it. No. Don't drop it.
This is too big.
No, we are. We need Marcus. We need you actually. We need somebody who's fucking fit, bro. Yeah, we need a fit boy. We need a fit one. A fit bit. We need a fit bit. We can bring this on the fucking fire.
It would land on my leg, bro.
I know.
It's like a fucking.
They literally fucking dropped it on my foot, but it didn't hit my foot. I was
Oh,
like,
for real?
"Bro." Yeah, you were like, I'm dropping it.
I tried
I'm
to, like,
dropping
make it
I
on
thought
the
you were
right.
kidding. I was like, bro. No, but it like barely, it didn't even hit my foot. If it did, it would have broke my foot.
Oh, fuck that.
But it didn't. It's a big fucking chunk of wood, bro.
It's huge.
Yeah. Marcus. Clank, I love you, dude.
I love you too, man.
Bring that flower, put it in your ear.
My leg feels fucked up right now.
Did it land on your foot?
No, I kind of like dropped on my foot, but it's not badly damaged. Just like kind of damaged.
I think you both are fucked up, but
think
Nick
you're just
can
high as
handle
fuck.
it way better.
No. I'm fucked up, but I'm not
You're
on
fucked up
fucking
and you're still
shrooms.
lifting shit. You're like, yes.
I'm not on shrooms, though.
Yeah. Guess let's hit this wood.
No, not yet. Clank.
What do you
This is
mean?
nutty.
What do you mean? I'm right fucking here.
Jeff, can you come help real
Fuck
quick?
this. Get the machete, bro.
Machete funny. Jeff's coming, Jeff's coming. Okay, we're gonna do this, boys. Don't drop it. Don't fucking drop it. Yo, Dave, we need your help too. We need the big black man fella.
Nigga, fuck. Oh,
We need the big black man fella. We're bringing this on the fire.
Dude,
We need the big black man power though. Come on, Dave. Dave.
We need
the
that
big
power.
black man power.
Okay, alright, are you ready, Prince?
I guess
No,
so.
no, Dave. We need you. Dave.
Okay. We got it, guys.
And don't drop it. It will fucking snap my head.
Wait, with 4 people, this is so easy.
Marcus, dude. Marcus. Come wait, John, wait, stop. John,
get out of the way.
Move the grate. Move the grate.
Move the chair, move the chair, move the chair, move the chair, move the chair.
My hat, John, my hat.
And the other chair. No, Dave, come back.
Dave.
Yeah, no. Grab him the wood.
What do you want?
Grab the wood.
No, Dave. Let go. Wait. I'm gonna.
No, I'll lower my end first. Hold on.
And then over.
Very, very nice.
This is not gonna burn. There's no chance.
That is the most hilarious thing I've ever seen. The biggest fucking chunk
The biggest fucking chunk of wood ever.
It's gonna burn all
She
night.
will burn. This
Alright,
fire
yeah,
is
hold
in,
on.
out. Like literally.
Now we need some little shit to put in there.
Back.
Machete. When?
I guess never. Bruh.
No, John.
What the hell do I do with this, bro? It's not stepped on. I throw it in? I guess hummus. Yeah.
We have another one.
No. Alright, fine, fair enough. Yeah, kick it in.
Oh, it's hot!
The oils will light up.
Will it be funny?
Probably. Perfect.
You ever film that scientist shit?
Which should.
The fucking the sun. You don't even remember. When you originally left to make that memo, you were like, the sun. What if there's thousands of years of sun eating different planets?
It's still going right now!
Holy
shit!
Even after this fucking wood and shit.
I'm gonna upload this as a fucking YouTube video. This is fucking insane.
Dude,
this is.
You call it the boys in nature in conversation or some shit like that.
Yes,
Some sort of,
yeah.
like,
No,
something
literally
like
just that. I'm gonna. Dave, shake my hand because if you shake my hand, then I listen to this. I need to do it, okay?
Yep.
When should I upload it by? And it's currently like August 10th.
All right, uploaded by August 20th.
No, give me a shorter time period.
All right, August fucking 13th.
Okay, deal.
Dab.
Okay, it's a shake.
August 13th.
August 13th. Dab. Okay, August 13th. I'm gonna put up as a public YouTube video, and just whatever happens.
It'd be funny.
Wait, just a voice recording?
That'd be funny.
Just the voice recording and like
No
one
video?
one picture behind it for the whole thing.
Big funny
Some
picture.
like fucked up 80s sci-fi book cover.
Literally.
Yeah, like a picture of Elon
80s.
Musk
Okay,
or
wait,
some
that's
shit.
the picture. We
Get
have
a
to
picture of Bill Nye and
No.
Elon Musk.
Marcus called it. I have to find an 80s sci-fi book picture, right, Marcus?
Yeah. Like a space sci-fi book from the 80s.
Ew,
Perfect.
shitty novel.
Dude, no, there's so many good pictures. Like I've seen so many good pictures, man.
Dude, that is the biggest piece of wood I've ever put on a Dude, fire. spark And I every put time some we do that. trees.
You put some fucking trees on the fire.
This is
As you can tell by now, we're coming to the end of the video. We've been recording for Jesus Christ. That extruded the flubers. By now we've been recording for 28 and 30 seconds. I was probably off by a millisecond there. I apologize for that. It's me, Day, Marcus, Jeff, John, Mark, Nick. Fuck. It's me, Nick,
Get out of the
Jeff,
content hive, bro.
John,
Come back
Marcus,
to the world.
and Day. It's gonna be a weird YouTube video.